First, so first we have to give the account group. So we'll give account group as 0001. Give this number. Give the company code. Give the sales organization. Give the distribution channel. These are all self-explanatory. So address contains the address of the customer. Company code data will have 4 tabs. We have to give the reconciliation account 1,40,000. To give the billing documents. So billing documents. Uh, Billing documents. We'll see first. Rebate. Rebate means it's a conditional discount. It's not a normal discount. So based on the some condition. Okay. So assume that what is the condition? Example, we'll see one condition. Uh, customer has to purchase material 100 quantity. Then he is eligible for 5% discount. If he is not completed 100 quantity, the sale in 6 months, then he is not eligible for 5% discount. So this is kind of a rebate. So to process this customer is eligible for rebate or not, we have to activate here. If you activate here, this customer is eligible for rebate. If you uncheck this customer is not eligible for rebate. Okay, so we can control with the help of this checkbox. Invoicing dates last class we have seen. The client requirement. The customer requirement is he want to send the invoice on some particular date. At that time, we'll create a calendar. In the calendar, we'll go to the special dates. We'll go to the special dates and we will create that date. So we'll assign that calendar here. Okay, last class we have created Z4. So system allow to create invoice only on that special date. Okay, so what is that special date? So how to create the calendar? SCAL is the T code. Go to the factory calendar. So I'll show you in the display mode. So what is our calendar which we have created for Apollo? So Z4. Click on the definition. So on which date system will allow to create the invoice? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? No, we are unchecked all these things. So it won't allow us to create the calendar on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On which date it will allow to create? Go to the special rules. So on August, it will allow to create only on the 31st. If I am trying to create on some other date, system will allow? No. How about in the September one? It will allow only to create on the September 30th. August 31st. Like this, we have to maintain. Okay. So this is here in the special rules, we will maintain the dates. So this is called as an invoicing dates. So invoicing list means, so creating invoices, multiple invoices into a single invoices. So that is called as an invoicing list dates. I will show you in the system. So here multiple invoices will give and will save. So system will create one invoice. So this one invoice only we will share. In this one invoice, you will have all the invoices. So this process is called as an invoice list. So we are giving customer these many options. So either customer want to have one invoice which consists of all the invoices details, or customer want each individual invoices that particular month. So if you want individual invoice, then we will maintain the calendar here. If you want one invoice which consists of all the individual invoices, then here we will maintain. So based on the customer requirement, we will maintain either invoicing dates or invoicing list dates. So next is Incoterms. So what is meant by Incoterms? Incoterms is nothing but it's an agreement. It's an agreement between customer, shipper and the receiver. Shipper and the receiver for successful completion of deliveries. So who will take care of what? So assume that the customer is in Hyderabad. My customer is in Hyderabad. So my company is in, okay. My customer is in Hyderabad. My company is in, my company, nothing but my from plant, Gujarat to Hyderabad. The customer is in Hyderabad. Moving from Gujarat to Hyderabad. Okay, Gujarat to Hyderabad. So if something happened to my products, if something happened to my stock, in between something happened to my stock, then who is responsible? Who is responsible? So assume that the stock is burnt due to any reason or something it happened. Okay? The truck fell, so all my goods are damaged. Who is responsible? Whether company is responsible or customer is responsible. So they will have an agreement. So they will have an agreement. So that agreement we call it as a Incoterms. So that agreement will call it as a Incoterms. So Incoterms is also one of the split criteria for deliveries. So next is terms of payment. So terms of payments is also an agreement between company and customer for the number of days given to make the payment. It is also called as a credit period. So assume that we have a credit card. So now everyone will have a credit card. Now I have a credit card. Okay. So 15th my bill will generate. Every month 15th my bill will be generated. Okay. So what is my due date? So on which date I have to make the payment? Next month. So this month 15th, assume that the bill is generated. Okay. So when should I make the payment? I should make the payment on next month 5th. Number 5th. Okay. 15, 20 days. So what is my credit period? Credit period is 20 days. So see, credit card is giving me 20 days credit period. In this 20 days, if I will make the payment, whether they will charge any interest? No interest. So assume that I have missed the 5th. Okay, due to any reason, I have not made the payment on 5th. If I am trying to make the payment on 6th, the same amount whether system will accept? No. Okay, so system will accept, but next month they will charge interest. So I have to make interest also because I have crossed the due date. So we'll all have credit cards, so we can correlate this scenario. So how much is the credit period? In this case, 20 days is the credit period. So this process we call it as a payment terms. Payment terms is nothing but it's an agreement between company and customer for the number of days given to make the payment. So we also call it as a credit period. So how to create the new terms of payment? So we have a path. So I will show you the path. So cost, insurance and freight. So this customer is from this will create. So terms of payment. So where we can create the terms of payment, go to SPRO. So the path is there in the notes as well. Go to SPRO, go to sales and distribution, go to master data, go to business partners, go to customers, go to billing document. Here you will have the terms of payment. So if you want, you can create the new terms of payment, or I will open the existing terms of payment. So we'll create a new terms of payment. So I will click on copy. So what is my terms of payment? Example, 004 is my terms of payment. So this is my Apollo. This is for Apollo customer. This is for Apollo terms of payment. Let's save it. Okay, so this is account type. This is for customers or vendor. So this is for customers only. Okay, we sell with the customers. So what is my baseline date calculation? So baseline date calculation means, so on which date system has to calculate the credit period. So on every month 15th. So I assume that I have given 15th here. So every month on 15th, system will calculate the baseline date. Okay, so assume that I have created an invoice. So what is the today's date? 20th. So baseline date means generally the baseline date is a invoice date only. So what is my credit period? Assume that my credit period is, I have created an invoice. Today I have created an invoice. So 20th August 2023 is the base is the date at which I have created an invoice. So my credit period is 30 days. So till on which date I can make the payment without interest? Till 27/09/2023 I can make the payment without interest. But if I have maintained here as a fixed day as 15th, fixed day as 15th. So if I have maintained the fixed date as 15th, fixed day as 15th. So system will wait for 15 days for this 30 days. So in this scenario, due date, system will wait for irrespective of the invoice date. So I have created an invoice on 20th, but I have maintained the fixed day as 15th. So system will wait for till September 15th because I have maintained here as a 15th, the fixed day. So system will wait for till 15th and system will calculate the 30 days. From September 15th, system will calculate, and which is the due date. So from this scenario, September 15 to 30 days means October 14. Till October 14, customer can make the payment. So for this, who is benefiting? Customer is benefiting because I have maintained here as a 15th. Because if I have not maintained anything here, so which is the due date? The customer has to make the payment. So assume that I have created an invoice on 20th August. So my credit period is 30 days. What is the due date in this case? 1 month, because credit period is 1 month. So this is called as a fixed day. If you mention some day here, then every month from that date onwards, system start calculating the payment terms, irrespective of the invoice date. So this is called as a baseline date. Additional month, if you mention some number of months here, then after creating invoice, system will wait for up to 1 month. If you maintain 1 month, then system starts calculating the payment terms. So this you will have an agreement. Okay. So this you will have an agreement with the customer. So when should I start calculating the date? for calculating the credit period, whether the invoice date or document date, whether the posting date, the accounting document date, or on which I have created an invoice. Both are same, accounting document date and entry date. So on fixed day and additional months, they will have an agreement. So whether they want to go with fixed day or whether they want to go with additional month. So these are all optional. Okay, and when these they will have an agreement between customer and company. So these are all the options which SAP has given. Fixed day, additional month, or if you don't want to give any additional days, only on the document date means invoice date. So then you have to maintain this checkbox. This is called as a default for baseline date and baseline date calculation. So generally we will have the document date only. Document date is nothing but the invoice creation date. So this is the additional discount. So if the customer has made the payment within 14 days, I am giving 3% discount. Okay. Within 30 days, we are giving 2% discount. So 45 days is the credit period. Assume that. So here it will take as a 45 days as a due date. So till 45 days, we are not charging any interest to the customer. So after 45 days, we will charge interest to the customer. So this is called as a terms of payment. So what is meant by terms of payment means your answer should be, so it's an agreement between company and customer for the number of days given to make the payment. So it is also called as a credit period. So this is the part to create the terms of payment. So these are all the cash discounts. So here we can give the cash discounts to the customers for early payments if you make the payments well before the due date. So next is payment guarantee procedure. So what is payment guarantee procedure? If the customer is liable for payment guarantee, then system will not allow creating delivery until we receive payment guarantee from the customer. So the payment guarantee can be bank. This is not BACK. This is a bank, bank guarantee or letter of credit. So generally foreign customers are liable for payment guarantee. So here this is called as a payment guarantee procedure. So what is payment guarantee procedure? So assume that we have few countries. So generally what happens, the big countries like Nigeria, like African countries. So what will happen if we deliver the goods to the customer? We are not, these are cash on delivery. Assume that this is a cash on delivery. So if we deliver the goods to the customer, okay. So what will happen after delivering the goods? We'll ask to make the payment. So what they will do? Their phones will be switch off. Their phones will be switch off. So to avoid all these things, what companies will do? They ask the payment guarantee. So banks will give the one guarantee letter. So we call it as a payment guarantee. We'll call it as a payment guarantee. So if the customer won't make the payment after receiving the goods, who will make the payment? The bank will make the payment. So this process is called as a payment guarantee. So generally foreign customers are liable for payment guarantee or letter of credit. So without payment guarantee, without bank guarantee and letter of credit, we don't deliver the goods to the customer. So if we have the guarantee, then only system will allow to create the delivery. So if my end user is trying to create the delivery without a bank guarantee, whether system will allow to create the delivery? No, system won't allow to create the delivery. So this process will be there. So I will show you in detail later the payment guarantee procedure. So this is a small interview question. Without configuring credit management, system is blocking the order for credit. So the customer is liable for payment guarantee procedure. So next is account assignment group. Account assignment group is nothing but this field is one of the parameter to determine the GL accounts while posting invoice values into accounting. So we'll have a separate concept called revenue account determination. There we will see, you will understand what is account assignment group. Next is tax classification. This field controls whether the customer is liable for tax, TAX, tax or not. So here this customer is liable for tax or not. Generally government customers are not liable for tax. So this is a private customer. So this customer is liable for tax. So we have to maintain one here. So what is all these things we'll see in the pricing master data. You'll understand much better in the pricing master data. So now the next tab is partner functions tab. So what is partner functions tab? So you will have the 4 partner functions. So from SD's point of view, how many partner functions will be there? How many partners will be there? We will have 4 partners. We'll call it as a partner functions. Sold SP means sold to party, BP means bill to party, PY means payer, SH means ship to party. So the partner functions are sold to party, bill to party, payer and ship to party. So these are all the partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party and payer. So what is sold to party? Sold to party is nothing but who will place the order. Bill to party means who will receive the bill. Payer is nothing but who will make the payment. Ship to party is nothing but who will receive the goods. So if you take an example of Amazon scenario, okay, in Amazon, this sold to party will be the fixed customers. So I'm having an Amazon account. I'm the sold to party. Okay. So assume that I want to send my goods to my friend who is in Bangalore. Assume that I am in Hyderabad, my friend is in Bangalore. So who is the ship to party? So my friend is the ship to party. Okay, I can add one more ship to party here. So we can add new address in the Amazon, right? So the same way we can add new ship to party as well. Okay. So sold to party means who will place the order. So he is the main account, sold to party. Whenever you are creating a customer, you will have 4 partner functions. Whenever you are creating a customer, when the customer is creating an SAP, how many partner functions will be there? We will have 4 partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party and payer. If you want additional partner functions, then you have to add another partner functions as well. So how to add partner functions? What is this partner functions? We'll see in detail now. Now save this. So the customer is created. So the customer is 127. Okay. So now we'll see. We have created a customer. Now we know what are the fields. Now we'll see what is this account group. Why we have given 0001. Okay, what is this account group? What it controls? Everything we'll see now. So SAP has given 4 account groups: 0001, 0002, 0003, and 0004. 0001 is for sold to party, 0002 is for ship to party, 0003 is for bill to party, 0004 is for payer. 0003 is for payer and bill to party 0004. So what this account group controls? This account group controls will help to differentiate the number ranges. And this account group will help to control the fields in customer master. This account group also controls the partner functions. So why we got 4 partner functions where we have maintained. So we have maintained in the account group. So these are all the four these are all the four account groups. So now we have created a customer. So what is the T code to create the customer? XD01. So what is the T code to change the customer? XD02 is the T code to create to change the customer. So this is the T code to change. If you want to do any changes, so assume that I want to change my shipping conditions from 01 to 02. Where I need to change? What is the T code? XD02 is the T code. So how to create the account group? We have given the account group as 0001. So to create the account group, the T code is OBT0. What is the T code? OBT0 is the T code. So here we need to create the new customer account group. If you want to create a new customer account group, you can create the new customer account group. So we have created a customer with the help of the 0001. So now we will create a new account group. So how to create a new account group? We can go to new entries, or you can select this and you can click on copy. Select the 0001 and create the copy button. So now we will create a new account group. So what is my account group? X001. So X001 is for sold to party. Sold to party is the my account group. What is the account group? X001. So now, so why we have given 127? So what is this number? 127. From where we got this number? So now assume that I have to create a customer with my account group. What is my account group? X001. X001. So this is the external. External means I have to give the number externally. Okay. So which number I have to give externally? This limit only, from 100 to 5 times 9. In this range only I have to give the external number to create the customer. So externally I have to give the number. So on which range I have to give? From this to this number only. If I try to give some other number, 2, 6, 10, 0. So this is not in this range. So what system will tell? Enter a number between 1999. So from where we are getting this? We are getting this from account group. In this account group, you have to go inside the account group. So select this account group and click on details. To select this and click on details, you will have the number range 0. So this is the number range 01. So you can create a new number range as well. You can create a new number range as well. Where you can create? You can create this number range in the T code XDN1. In the XDN1 T code. So what is the T code? XDN. So in the XDN1 T code, if you want, you can create a new number range. So click on create. And if you want to create a new number range, you can create a new number range. Okay, so here, click on insert intervals. Z2 is there, right? You can give anything. So what is my range? This is my from number. So because 1 to 100 already used, 1 to, these are all used, 1 to 999 is used, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh to 2 lakhs is used. So this is the available range. Whatever the available, we have to check the range. So here Z3 I have created. Now I am saving this. So this is the external number range checkbox. Whether you want external or internal. If you uncheck external, what it will be? It will be an internal number range. What is meant by internal number range? We'll see now. Okay, so Z3 I have to assign in my X001 account group. X3. Sorry, what is that? Z3. Sorry. Z3, I have to assign here. Just save it. So now we'll create a customer with this account group. So what number range system will propose? Click on this icon. Here you can search here X001. So double click. So if you can see what is the lower limit and upper limit, and this is internal, not external. See, it means system will propose. I no need to give. Suppose I am assume that I am entering some number here. I am entering some number here. What system is telling? Account group sold to party uses internal number assignment. So you have to leave blank. So where is the control? Whether you want internal number or external number, the control is in the number range. The number range, and this is the checkbox. So in this checkbox, system controls whether you want internal number range or external number range. So now you have a pass. Already pass is there to enter into the. Assume that to enter into the theater, you already have a pass. So directly you can enter. External unchecked means you can enter directly. Okay. So select this account group and you can enter directly. No need to give number here. Okay. So system will propose the number. You have a pass, assume that. Okay. Now you need to give number while creating the customer. Then what you have to do? In the Z3, you have to check this and save it. So this Z3 we have assigned in this account group. So in this account group, in this number range Z3, whether external or internal, you have checked external means it is an external. Means you don't have any pass to create the customer master. Now we have to create the customer. You have to give the number before. You have to give the number before. So specify an account number. It uses external number assignment. So I am changed now. Okay, so what number I have to give? I have to give the number within this range only. So within which range I have to give? Within this range only I have to give. Okay. So if I have not given within this range, system will take? No. If I assume that if I give this, system won't take. System will use some other. If I give some other number, enter a number between this only. Why? Because this account group X001 contains the number range Z3. So in the Z3, what is the number we have? In the Z3, we have this number and we are using this external checkbox. So these are all linked to each other. So whatever we have maintained here, system is throwing there. So we will give this number range only. So now this is external number range. Number ranges are very important. Okay. So number ranges you can maintain external number range or internal number range. So this is the status. Status is nothing but current number. So in the movie, you are giving the ticket counter. Which number is currently going on in the movie theater? 7004. What is the next ticket which you have to give? 70005. 7006 is the next ticket. So this is the current number. Okay. So whenever you are creating a customer with Z2 number range, which one system will propose? 7005. So what is the current number? Okay. So in the external, For this, majorly this will be used for external number range. So assume that I have used the one customer number one. So what is the next number system will propose? Number two, number three, like that. This is called as a current number. So the T code to create the number ranges is XDN1. So we cannot transport the number ranges from one system to another system. So you have to remember this. We cannot transport the number ranges from one system to another system. So total how many servers SAP has suggested? So at the time of implementation, we have discussed total how many servers will be there? Development server, quality server, the number ranges from development to quality and quality to production. So we have to maintain the number ranges from each and every system. So this is very important. We cannot transport the number ranges from one system to another system. So the number ranges can be numeric or alphanumeric or characters, but alphanumeric and characters should be always external. Numeric can be either external or internal. So this is about the account group and this is about number range. And next we will have field status. So we'll discuss in detail later what is one-time account. We'll see what is field status. So what is field status? Field status is nothing but how to control the fields. So I assume that in I want to make this search term A as a required entry. Now I want to make this entry as a first. What is we'll see what is required entry. So if this search term 1 by 2 is a required entry. What is when by required entry? So if I'm unable to fill this, system will not able to move forward, fill in all required entry fields. So I can't move to other tab. I have to mandatorily I have to enter. So this is a mandatory field. So I want to make this field as optional field. Optional means it's your wish. You want to go, you want to fill or you don't want to fill. So search term A. So I want to make this as an optional entry. So now I'm saving this. So now you will see how to behave this, how it will behave now. See, now there is no mandatory. If I can move ahead, not a problem. I'm not filling this. I can move it to control data as well. Okay. So no need to give this. So this duplicate has found because of that. So even though if I don't fill such term, I can move to control data. So earlier, without filling this, don't allow to create to next control data. The control is in field status. Okay. The control is in field status here, general data. Go to address. Field status, I have maintained it as optional. If I will maintain it as suppress, so you won't find this field. You don't find this field, it will be suppressed. I will show you. So every time you have to come from decode because if the data fresh is there, right? So it won't capture. See, system is not there. It is suppressed. It's suppressed. If you see now display, we'll see now display. What is display? See, display means don't enter anything. You can't enter anything here. It will be only in the display mode. You can see that's it. I will make it as a required entry. So you can do all these fields in these 7 tabs. Whatever the field you want, you can control. I have shown you only the one field. Okay, so you want in general data, you want in company code data, you want in sales data. So next, here we will have this text procedure will be used in the text determination. So what is text determination? We'll see in detail later. So next is customer pricing procedure. So if you maintain this customer pricing procedure, okay, so default it will determine in the customer pricing procedure field in the customer master. You see here XD02. So we have created this customer. So in this customer, I have not maintained this customer pricing procedure. So default it will come here. Automatically it will come here. Why it is coming automatically? Because in the account group we have maintained as a 1. Here if I maintain 2, here it will come 2. So whatever you will maintain in your account group. So if you are creating a customer with this account group, it will come whatever you have maintained here. So this is called as a customer pricing procedure. So what is the significance of this field? We'll see in our master data, pricing master data. The next field is partner determination procedure. So what is partner determination procedure? So when I have created a customer, so when I will create a customer with this X001, I will get 4 partners. So I will give this. So the address check will not come here because the name is different. I have given the dot dot dots. If you give the same name, it will get the address check. Go to the company code data, put the sales area data, into the shipping. So we'll give only the mandatory fields. Now if you see here, we got 4 partner functions, SP, BP, PY, and SS. How we will got these 4 partner functions? Why we got 4 partner functions? Why not 3 we got? Or why not 5 we got? Why only 4 we got? Where is the control? The control is in AG. So in the X001, you have AG. Okay. In the X001, you have AG. In this AG, how many partner functions are assigned? 4 partner functions are assigned. Okay. So why we got 4 partner functions? Why we got 4 partner functions? Because my X001 account group X001 account group will have partner determination procedure as AG. In this AG, What is the partner determination procedure contains? We have linked four partner functions: SP, SH, BP, and PY. Because of this account group contains this AG we have linked these four partner functions. Because where we link this, we will link this in VOPA and T code. So this process, the linking of the partner functions. So this we'll call it as a partner functions. The linking of the partner functions to the partner determination process. So this is called as this is PDP. So PDP is nothing but partner determination. AG is nothing but a PDP, partner determination procedure. In this partner determination procedure, AG will have four partner functions linked with the account group. So whenever you are creating a customer with X001 account group, so how many partner functions will determine? Four partner functions will determine, because we are linked with AG, these four partner functions. Where we will link this? In the VOPNT code. So this process is called as a partner determination procedure. So the linking of partner functions to the account group, the linking of account group to the linking of partner determination procedure to the account group. So this process is called as a partner determination procedure. Where we will do in the T code VOPN. So I will show you so how to link that. So here go to the T code VOPN. In the VOPN, so what is the T code? VOPN. In the VOPN, select the customer master. As default, it is selected. Go to the change mode. So here in this partner AG, in the AG, how many partner functions are there? Double click on here. You will see four partner functions. So for this partner determination procedure EAG, we will have these four partner functions are there: SP, PY, message, BB. So these are all mandatory. If you see here, this is the mandatory. This is checked. This is checked. This is checked, and this is checked. This has to be determined. So that is the reason why these four are mandatory. That is the reason why for this AG, whenever I am creating a customer with this account group, because in this account group we have partner determination procedure AG. In this AG, how many partner functions are there? Four partner functions are there. Okay, because of that, whenever I am creating a customer, I got four partner functions. So if you want, you can create a new partner determination procedure as well. So I will create a new partner determination procedure. I will create XAG is my partner determination procedure. So You have to come out from this. Go to new entries. Create a new partner determination procedure. I will show you how to create a new partner determination. So this is the PDP for sold party. Select this and double click on partner functions and procedure. So here you have to assign the partner functions. So how many partner functions I need? 4 partner functions. So what SAP is suggesting to go for 4 partner functions: SP, SH, BP, and PY. So these 4 are mandatory partner functions. So this is not modifiable. Mandatory means without these partner functions, you can't able to create a customer master. So if you are creating a customer master, definitely 4 should be there. If this 4 will not be there, so data is incomplete because fourth partner function is not there. SPSS, BP, and PY. So this is the mandatory partner function, and this is not modifiable means this is the main partner function which you can't change. In Amazon account, your SP means your sold to party is main customer. So why it is a main customer? How we are controlling with the help of this checkbox, not modifiable. So save it. Go back. And you have to assign your partner determination procedure to your account group. What is our account group? X001. So X001 is my account group. So here you have to assign your partner determination procedure XAG and save it. Then the last step is you have to assign account groups to the function assignment. Go to new entries. You have to assign your partner functions to account group as well. So what is our account group? You just get an information, just click on enter. You now save it. With this, the partner determination procedure is completed. Now, if you go to your account group, what partner determination procedure will be there? This is my partner determination procedure. So this XAG is having how many partner functions? It is having 4 partner functions. Because of that, now I will create a customer with this account group. How many partner functions will determine? 4 partner functions will determine. So now I will create a customer. I will go back. I will just give mandatory fields. So I got 4 partner functions. So this is not modifiable. If you remember that step. So where is your partner determination procedure? XCAG. So here this is not modifiable step. So these 3 are modifiable. So because of the reason, so I can change this customer number, I can change this customer number, I can change this customer number, but I can't change this customer number. Where is the control? The control is in not modifiable. Okay. So now I am saving this. Now the customer is saved. So like this, we have to create the partner determination procedure. So the partner determination procedure is very important actually. So tomorrow we'll see how to add multiple partner functions. Now I have created a customer. In my customer, 4 partner functions are there. Okay. Now I want to have one more partner function. I want to have one more partner functions. I have a customer. I have a friend in Bangalore. I want to send the goods to Bangalore as well. So this SH will contain Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. But this SH contains the address of it should be the address of Bangalore. So how to add this the Bangalore address to with another ship to party? Tomorrow we'll see. So how to add another partner functions in my customer master. So tomorrow we'll complete the customer master and material master as well. Okay. You start doing practice, guys, or else it's difficult for you to understand. Okay, so take out some time and do practice. Tomorrow we'll connect, guys.
Thank you.